Good morning, students. How to write IUPAC names of organic compounds. Yesterday we covered how to write the number of carbons present, how to indicate number of carbons, how to indicate the position of double bond and triple bond. More than one double bond given, how to write, more than one triple bond given, how to write the IUPAC name. Okay, these rows completed. So today double and triple both given, how to write the IUPAC name, and branches given, how to write. Okay, so first one, double and triple bond both given, how to write the IUPAC name. CH3, CH double bond CH, C triple bond C, CH2, CH3. Like this one compound given. In this compound double bond and also triple bond both given, how to write the name. So first count the number of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons hept. So first we should write double bond, then triple bond. Double bond name ene and triple bond ine. Double bond ene, triple bond ine, and give numbering least sum. Just we have to select least sum. This side 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second position double bond, fourth position triple bond. From this side numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third position triple bond, fifth position double bond. Then answer least sum. This is correct. So second position double bond and fourth position triple bond. So name of this compound hept2ene 4-ine. Now given is CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, C triple bond C, CH2, CH3. Like this one compound given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons oct. First write ene, then ine. Now position of ene 3. Position of ine 5. Okay. Name oct 3 ene 5 ine. From this side number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now name oct. First write ene, then write ine. Ene position 5. Ine position 3. Take this sum 3 plus 5. This sum 3 plus 5. Now in given compound double bond and triple bond both are present, and this side that side same sum we are getting, then which is the correct answer? 2, 3 in 5 ine is correct, or 5 in 3 ine is correct? Which one is the correct one? Say both sides if we are getting same sum, give importance to double bond. Double bond least number is the correct answer. Two sides if we are getting same sum, double bond least number correct answer. Okay. So double bond least number 3 is the correct answer, not this. Okay. If both sides same we are not getting, just least sum. Okay. Same we are getting, then give importance to double bond. Okay. CH, examples, start. CH, triple bond C, CH2, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Rule completed. Both double and triple given, first write ene, then write ine. Okay. And take least sum. Same sum we are getting, give importance to double bond. That's it. Okay. First one. 5 examples. Still I am writing, wait. No spaces, so given like this, continuation. First write in, then write ein. More than one there, die, try we have to use. And select least sum. Same sum we are getting, give importance to double bond. Shall I start? Still writing. Start. First one. 1. 1 ein. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 in. Or 1 in, 5 ein. Which is the correct one? This side, that side, same sum. Then importance to double bond. Least number to double bond. So this side only correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons hex. In ein. 1 in 5 ein. First name hex 1 in 5 ein. Next 1, 2, 3. Third position 4, 5. 3 plus 5. This side 1. First position 1, 2, 3. Third position 1 plus 3. Least sum this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Least sum. Okay. Now 6 carbons hex. In ein. Same sum we are getting, that time only least number to double bond we have to check, otherwise just least sum. So now this is only least sum. In position 3, ein position 1. Hex 3 in 1 ein. And next one, sum 1, 2, 3. This side 1. This side only least. Is there no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons. Oct. First in, then ein. Diene. 2 double bonds. Diene, ein. 1 ein. First position ein. Third, fifth. Name of this one? Oct 3, 5 diene 1 ein. Okay. Oct 3, 5 diene 1 ein. Next least sum. That side only least sum. This side. So So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Undeck. 1, 3, 5. Try in. 7, 9. Die, I. Name of this compound. Undeck 135. Try in 7, 9. Die, I. Okay. Next. This side least sum 1, 2. This side 1, 2, 3. This side only least sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons hept. In, ein. 6 carbons only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Told no space not there. That's why like this I given. 6 only used. Okay, take 6. 6 or 7? 7. Like this. Here no. Here. Now double bond, fourth position. Triple bond, second position. Okay. Otherwise, if this one not there, then it is the CH3. Now numbering this side or that side. If it is CH3, some students use CH3 now, then it is CH3. Numbering this side correct, that side correct. This side 2 plus 4. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4. Same sum. Then least number to double bond. Nothing but this side we should give. Then name of this one hex 2 in 4 ein. Okay, hex 2 in 4 ein. One more carbon you take hept 4 in 2 ein. Okay, finished now? Next 5. I am giving names, right or wrong, check and write the structures. Five names. How many right, wrong and which one is not possible? Which one we can't correct that? make it fast. Tell me, first one right or wrong? First one correct. Second one? Second also correct. Third? Third wrong. Fourth? Fourth also wrong. Fourth still not completed. Fast. Fifth one? Fourth not completed, fifth not completed. Fifth. Fifth wrong. First one also wrong. Fifth. Fifth right. So third wrong. What is the right name? Third. Correct name. If this is wrong name, what is the correct name? No correct name. Okay, this one? Correct name don't know. But this name wrong. Okay, start. First one. Oct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3 diene. Second position double bond. Third also double bond. Okay. 2 in, 3 also in. Between these two, 2. Between these two, 3. 2, 3 diene. And 5 ine. 3, 4, 5. Here ine. CH3, H, 4 bonds, H, 4 bonds, 4 bonds, H2, H3. I given name like this. If this is a wrong name, right means from this side we should start. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 ine, 4, 5. 5, 6. Least sum. This side or this side? This side only least sum. So what I given is correct name. Okay. This is only correct. Hex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I given like 2 in, 3, 4 ine. CH3, CH, CH, 4 bonds, CH3. Name is that. If that is wrong name from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hex, 4 in, 2 ine. This is correct, that is correct. That side, this side, same sum we are getting. Then give importance to double bond. Double bond least number. This is only right. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Same we are getting. Then least number to double bond. What I given is correct. Okay. Next one. Pent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 only. 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in. 1, 2. 2 ine. Okay. Name given 4 in 2 ine. Now you write the name. Don't see that name like this one structure given. Numbering this side or that side? Least sum. This side correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Least sum we should say. This side correct. Now paint. 1 in. 3 ine. Yes or no? So paint 1 in 3 ine is correct. Not 4 in 2 ine. Okay. So this is wrong name means definitely what is the right name? That we should check. So what is the right name? Paint 1 in 3 ine. Okay. Now this is the right name. 1 in 3 in. Come to the fourth one. So fourth what I given wrong. Hept 1 in 3 4 diene. Hept. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. 1 in first position double bond. 3 4 diene. 1 2 3 4. Like this given. H2 H 4 bonds. 6 bonds. Possible? Huh? Like this molecule not exist. So this is totally wrong. Like this molecule not exist because 6 bonds around this carbon. No chance. What is the right name also not there. First of all that molecule not exist. Okay. Cut that. And next one. But 1 2 3 4. 1 in 2 3 in. 1 in 3 in correct. 1 in 3 in correct. 1 in 3 in. Least number to double bond. What I given that is the correct. This is only correct. Okay. In exam, all these chances. That's why discussing like this. Which is wrong, which is right, we should identify. Okay. And what is the name? 25 questions, no, different chances. Shall I move to next rule or some more examples? Still 5 examples. Next rule. No ma'am, next rule. Better. 5 more examples. Yesterday's class, today's class, combined examples. Sorry. Third one wrong. So you are concentrating complete which is wrong, which is right identification. So all correct here. All correct, just you identify the names. Write the names. Third one wrong. Least sum. Same sum? No. Which is least? See the first one. 1, 1, 2. This is only definitely least sum. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hept 1, 3. Only double bonds given. Try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opt. All single bonds obtained. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If like this numbering given, 1 plus 4 plus 6, 7, 6. Okay. If numbering this side given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 3 plus 6. Okay. The least sum, this 1, 3, 6. So now name hept 1, 3, 6. Try I. 1, 3, 6. Try I. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opt 4 in. Just opt 4 in. Next one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same. Then least number to double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Opt. Again no clarity. Opt. 3 in 5 I. Big size only I am writing. Opt 3 in 5 I. Okay. Now next rule. Branches given, how to write? Next rule. In organic compound, along with branches given, how to write the UPAC name? First, what are these branches? Listen carefully. CH3. Concentrate here, not that system. CH3. Methyl. Okay. C2H5. These are branches. Branches given, how to write the UPAC name? This type branch name is the methyl. Just in methane, one hydrogen less. Methyl. C2H5. Ethyl. CH2, CH2, CH3. Like this one attached. It is the propyl. This branch name is the propyl. If the branch is CH3, CH, CH3. Like this one branch attached. Then this branch name is the isopropyl. This branch name isopropyl. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Like this one branch attached. This branch name butyl. Just in butane, one hydrogen less. Butyl. If the branch is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2. Like this one branch attached. This is isobutyl. This branch name isobutyl. If the branch is like this one branch attached. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. This branch name secondary butyl. Branch name secondary butyl. CH3, C, CH3, CH3. Like this one branch attached. This branch name tertiary butyl. tertiary butyl. One more branch here. CH3CC, CH3, CH3, CH2. Like this one branch attached. Then this branch name neopentyl. This branch name neopentyl. CH2 double bond CH. Like this one branch attached. This branch name vinyl. This branch name vinyl. If the branch is like this one attached, pencil ring, this attached, then this branch name phenyl. This branch name phenyl. Now I am writing here. CH2 double bond CH, CH2. Like this one branch attached. This branch name allyl. Now names of the branches. Methyl, ethyl, propyl. Where isopropyl? Okay. Isopropyl, isobutyl, phenyl, butyl, allyl, secondary butyl, tertiary butyl, vinyl, neopentyl. These are the branches. Okay. So this type of branches given, how to write the IUPAC names. Definitely first we should practice these names. Which is isopropyl, which is isobutyl, secondary butyl, what are these branches? Okay. This type of branches given, how to write the IUPAC names. Shall we wrap? Okay, all mixed. Let's see. Vinyl. Now it is like puzzle. This is tertiary butyl. This is neopentyl. Okay. This is secondary butyl. Methyl, ethyl, propyl. Allyl, butyl, isopropyl, isobutyl, phenyl. Especially no need to practice many names. Anyhow we will write, in that you can learn. Now we are not going to use all these, just methyl, ethyl like this only. Okay. The given compound is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3. Like this one compound given. Okay. Now compound with branches. If branch is given, first select the parent chain. First we should select the parent chain because here many chains. Continuation. Chain means how to identify. Like this we start. Then continuation. This is continuation. This is one chain. Like this we start. This is one chain. Like this you start. Here also continuation. This is one chain. Like this you start. This is also one chain. Or like this. This is also one chain. Yes or no? So in this compound many chains given. Then we should decide a parent chain. First to select the parent chain. How to select parent chain? Which is the longest chain? That is the parent chain. Longest chain is parent chain. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is the parent chain? This chain is the parent chain. Okay. First select the parent chain. Now give the numbers. This is parent chain means these are branches. This is one branch, this is one branch. Okay. Now what is the name of this branch? First see this one. CH3. CH3 branch given. What is the name of this branch? Methyl. Like that how many methyl given? 2 methyl given. More than one given means we have to use di. Dimethyl. 2 methyl groups given. Now select the parent chain. This is the parent chain. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons hept. Okay. All single bonds, double bonds. Complete single bonds. Ane. Heptane. This part completed. If any branch given, here we should write before the word root. Before the word root we should write the branch's names. So what is the name of this branch? Methyl. Before the word root. Methyl. How many methyl? 2. Dimethyl. Dimethyl heptane. Okay. Where these dimethyl groups? Now give the numbers. Where these dimethyl groups? From this side numbering correct, this side correct. Select the least sum. Same. Select the least sum. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 4. From this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 5. We can give numbers from this side or this side also. That must give least sum. Then which is correct? This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So name of this one? Third position, fourth position, 2 methyl groups. So 3, 4 dimethyl heptane. Okay. So name of the compound 3, 4 dimethyl heptane. Branches given. First we should select the parent chain. Give numbers to the parent chain. And what are the branches? Check. And least sum of the branches we have to take. Okay. So numbering that side, this side, same rules. Just select the least sum. Start. Examples. Start. Only four. Four examples. Very simple. Select the parent chain. Least sum or least number. Make it faster. Only four. Shall I start? No. See the first one. This side or that side? Least sum. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is only longest. Okay? 8. Third position methyl. Fifth position also methyl. So name of this one 3,5 dimethyl. Octa all single bonds in. 3,5 dimethyl octane. Now here, this is the parent chain. Parent chain. C2H5 means this is the CH2CH3. That is only C2H5. Just to confuse like that. C2H5, CH2CH3, CH2CH3. That is only C2H5. Which is the longest? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is longest. Yes or no? Now, parent chain. This is the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third position, fifth position. Three, 5 dimethyl heptane. This name is not 2,4-diethyl. Name is a 3,5-dimethyl heptane because this is longest chain. Okay. Just to confuse, direct C2H5 given. That is CH2CH3. Okay. Next one. I'll drop this. From this side, least sum we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. Trimethyl hexane. Trimethyl hexane. Okay. Last one. Which one is the longest here? Like this. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same we are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the longest chain. Fourth position, what is this one? C2H5. Yes or no? Now to confuse like this given. C2H5. This is a C2H5. Two C2H5 groups. C2H5 name? Ethyl. So where is ethyl? 4, 5. Diethyl nonene. This is ethyl group. This is also ethyl group. CH2CH3, nothing but that is the C2H5 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Parent chain. Okay. Then here this side CH2CH3, nothing but C2H5. This side CH2CH3, C2H5. Ethyl groups. 4th position and 6th position ethyl. Okay. Out of 4 at least 1 correct? More than 1, all correct. Okay. 4, 5 diethyl nonene. Continuation tomorrow. Along with double bond, triple bond, branches combined given how to write the IUPAC name. Branches and double and triple. Thank you.